Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed showdown tablet versus laptop, specifically for real productivity workflows. Which device reigns supreme when it comes to getting things done efficiently and effectively? Let's break it down, examining the strengths and weaknesses of each. First, let's talk about the tablet. These sleek and versatile devices are incredibly portable, making them ideal for on-the-go work and flexible work environments. Think about it, you can easily slip a tablet into your bag, backpack, or even a large purse. And you're ready to go, no matter where your day takes you. Tablets excel at a range of tasks, including note-taking with a stylus, consuming content like videos and ebooks, and performing light editing tasks such as quick photo adjustments or document revisions. Their touchscreens offer an intuitive and user-friendly experience, making navigation and interaction seamless. The ability to use a stylus, like an Apple Pencil, or a similar device on an Android tablet, can be a true game-changer for creative work, such as digital art or graphic design, or for precise input and annotations. However, tablets often lack the raw processing power and the extensive software compatibility of a traditional laptop. While they have improved significantly in recent years, handling complex tasks, running multiple demanding applications simultaneously, or working with large files can still present challenges. The overall experience may feel somewhat limited compared to a laptop for users who require more intensive processing capabilities. Now, let's turn our attention to the laptop. Laptops remain the workhorses of productivity, especially for professionals and anyone who needs a powerful and versatile computing solution. They boast powerful processors, ample storage for all your files and applications, and a full suite of software options, from creative suites to productivity tools. Laptops are the go-to choice for a wide variety of tasks, including video editing, where processing power is paramount, coding, which often requires multiple windows and extensive keyboard use, and managing large spreadsheets, crucial for data analysis and financial modeling. The physical keyboard provides a more comfortable and efficient typing experience, especially for extended periods of writing or data entry. The larger screen real estate compared to tablets also enhances productivity by allowing you to view and interact with more information at once. However, laptops can be less portable compared to tablets, and might feel cumbersome when you're working in a tight space, like a crowded coffee shop or during travel. They also tend to be more expensive than tablets, especially when you factor in the cost of accessories like docking stations and external monitors, which can further enhance their functionality and usefulness. So, which device is the winner in this productivity showdown? The answer, as it often does, depends entirely on your individual needs, your typical workflow, and your personal preferences. If portability and simplicity are your top priorities, and your workflow involves primarily note-taking, content consumption, and light tasks such as email and web browsing, a tablet might be the perfect fit, offering a convenient and streamlined experience. If, on the other hand, you need maximum processing power, extensive software compatibility, and a comfortable typing experience for tasks like heavy writing, coding, or content creation, a laptop is the clear choice. Many users find that a hybrid approach, leveraging the strengths of both devices, is the most effective and versatile solution. This might involve using a tablet for on-the-go tasks, such as reading documents or sketching ideas, and a laptop for more demanding work at home or in the office. Consider your budget, the specific tasks you perform on a daily or weekly basis, and where you'll be working most of the time, when deciding which device is the best fit for your productivity needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison: tablets versus laptops. Which reigns supreme for real productivity in your daily workflow? Let's find out. First, let's talk portability. Laptops, while portable, can be bulky. Tablets, on the other hand, are designed for ultimate portability. They're lightweight and slim, fitting easily into any bag. This makes tablets ideal for those constantly on the move. Next, let's consider the user interface. Laptops offer a traditional keyboard and trackpad, perfect for extensive typing and precise cursor control. Tablets often rely on touchscreens and optional accessories, like keyboards and styluses. While touchscreens are intuitive, typing on a screen can be less efficient for some. Now, let's move on to processing power and performance. Laptops generally pack more powerful processors and can handle demanding tasks like video editing and gaming. Tablets are catching up, but they may still lag behind in raw power. Regarding software and applications, laptops support a vast library of applications, including professional software suites. Tablets are compatible with a growing selection of apps, but compatibility can sometimes be limited. Consider your software needs carefully. Storage is another key factor. Laptops often provide more storage space for files, documents, and media. Tablets offer various storage options, but they might require external storage devices for extensive data. Battery life is also crucial. Tablets often boast longer battery life, making them suitable for on-the-go usage. Laptops' battery life varies, but it tends to be shorter, especially when running demanding tasks. Let's delve into connectivity and accessories. Laptops have a wider range of ports and connectivity options, facilitating easy connections to external displays and peripherals. Tablets often rely on adapters and dongles, which can be less convenient. As for the price, laptops range in price, depending on features and specifications. Tablets are often more budget-friendly. However, the cost of accessories can add up. Consider your budget and specific needs when making your choice. So, which is better for real productivity? It depends on your needs. If portability and ease of use are priorities, a tablet might be your go-to. If you need powerful processing, extensive software compatibility, and a traditional interface, a laptop could be better. Think about your workflow. Do you spend most of your time typing documents, creating spreadsheets, or editing videos? Or do you primarily consume content, browse the web, and respond to emails? Your answers will help you decide. Assess your software needs. Do you require specific applications that are only available on laptops? If so, the choice is clear. Consider your budget. Both laptops and tablets come in various price ranges. Choose the device that fits your budget, without compromising on the features you need. To summarize, both tablets and laptops have their strengths and weaknesses. Tablets excel in portability and intuitive use, while laptops offer more power and versatility. The best choice depends on your individual needs and how you plan to use the device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.